Hello and a warm welcome, and absolutely nothing to complain about on the weather front. Perfect conditions here in Madrid at the Metropolitano. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical analysis is Stuart Robson. And on this final day, there's much to play for. They know full well they could secure promotion. It's Atletico Madrid up against Rennes. Might work out.